So, my Clicks Power Keyboard just came in the mail, and I'm quite excited. I've been waiting for this for a while because I really wanted a productivity device to go with my Fold, which I've got a MagSafe case and everything. And I thought, okay, this is perfect. So this is just going to be an unboxing video. This has some water damage. I don't know how, but there was water inside the waterproof envelope. Don't know how that happened. So it's a bit damaged, but nothing too bad. But I wanted to film the unboxing experience, and yeah, I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this for so long, ever since I watched it on Mr. Mobile's YouTube channel. Um, yeah, see. Oh, awesome. Okay. So the main Clicks keyboard itself. What else do you get? And a manual, quick start guide, safety manual. I like how they've done the packaging kind of in the form factor. I like the whole design of it. It's nice. Seems recyclable as well, although I think I'll probably keep the box anyway. Lovely. Might take that out. Might need that. Okay, so the actual thing itself. Does it just rip open? I guess so. There we go. Okay. Awesome. So the back has a kind of, I don't know if you can capture that, but it has a kind of scratchy feeling on it. It's nice because it gives a bit of grip, especially if you're out and about or your hands are sweaty. You don't want this to like fall off. This is the MagSafe cover. Lovely. It's fully adjustable, seems. Yeah, you can do it on different levels. That's full extension. Nice. I like how it. That's a really nice sound. I like that. Very clicky. I feel like they've paid attention to the little things, which I like. That's really cool. And then the buttons. I don't know if you can hear that. I gotta say, it feels good. It feels really good. Can I quickly type? Jumped over the lazy dog. It's small, but it's doable, and it's mainly because of the way they've angled the keys. There's a slight angle, and it means you don't accidentally hit the key you don't want to hit. You kind of use the tip of your thumb, tip of your finger. But the fingers is easier, but you'd be using your thumb. That's lovely. I like it. So yeah, I'm going to be using this with my Fold 5, essentially with the MagSafe case. Let's see how it. Okay, so it's a bit thicker than the Fold 5 itself, which is slightly annoying. I think this is made for wider phones, essentially candy bar phones. That's slight disappointment. But then again, it is a power keyboard. They've got a battery bank in here. It's not terrible. Does it extend far enough to work with my phone? That's the question. So if I put that there. Okay, so it does. It's massive, but it does work. And if this was connected Yeah, I mean, that's fine, I guess. I think the main way I'd use it is like this, to have it kind of, yeah, there we go. If I had, for example, Word open or some kind of, I mean, to be honest, on Android, people are using Termux now. You can install essentially Ubuntu and have like what a NeoVim setup to code. Some people actually do that. So, I mean, it's very possible to go full productivity mode on this. Does it work? Well, I mean, this is definitely top heavy a bit, but do you know what? It's relatively stable. I'm kind of scared to do this, but let's try. Oh, okay. I think my case is a bit of a problem because I have a thing here that kind of stops it. So I can't actually hold it up like that, but that's fine. I'm probably not going to. But this is crazy to look at. I mean, for portable productivity, that's pretty amazing. Just have this on the back. I think my only issue is that it doesn't fully hide when you put it on the back because, well, at least with the folding phones, especially with Samsung, because unfortunately they've gone for a really like thin book design, which kind of sucks compared to the wider Oppos, etc. It's just a bit thicker. It's a bit wider. I don't know if you can see that here. And that's a bit annoying because I mean, it's clearly for wider candy bar phones. It's clearly for iPhones, etc. So that's a shame. Um, but it's not a deal breaker. I feel like I could still have this around, especially because it's a power bank. So I can kind of just use it as a power bank. But would I keep it on here permanently? I'm not sure. I don't think I can. It's just, it doesn't fit within the form factor. This is already quite a hefty phone, especially because of the case. So, to have, yeah, to have this as part of like the whole setup in your pocket, I'm not sure. However, to be able to just suddenly, at any point in time, just kind of snap it on, extend it if I need to, although I'm probably not going to, but if I had to, I could extend this because actually this is perfect right now. And then kind of hold it like that. I'm holding it through the keyboard. It does work. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to explore this. I'm going to see what I can do with it, what kind of cool productivity setups I can do with it, and I'll probably make another video on that very soon because I've been waiting for this for a while. I have so many ideas in my head, and I don't know if they're like viable or not, but we'll see.